Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to plant a pineapple. The way I plant it, I get 100% success rate. It's super easy, and there are a lot of mistakes that people make that sometimes can sort of affect your success rate. So first off, I did a video on how to select the right pineapple. So this is a pineapple that has a nice, tight green center in here. So this is a great one. Now, when I buy the pineapple, the first thing I'm going to do, twist off the top. All right, this pineapple will ripen all by itself. You can put it somewhere and it will get ripe on its own. So I'm not worried about that. A lot of times people will want their pineapple to be ripe and then they'll cut the top off. Don't worry about cutting it off. Just break it off, twist it off. It comes off really easy. Next thing you're gonna do, take off all these lower leaves. Usually I do this a little bit slower, but I'm trying to get this in time. Wow, it's December and I still got mosquitoes hanging around here. Hopefully those bats come soon and start cleaning them out. So I've taken off most of these lower leaves, and once you do that, you're gonna start to see little like rootlets kind of around the side here. I don't know if you can see them. They're hard to see. This one, they're pretty small on it. All right, now you can plant this and you're gonna have 100% success rates. Just stick in the ground. Sometimes I'll let it sit around for a day or two just to sort of cure so it doesn't, so it gets a little more firm, but you can plant it right in the ground right away. Another thing you can do is you can take a knife. If you're feeling bold, you can cut this in half. I hope you can see that. You can cut this in half and you can plant both of these and you'll get 2 pineapples, all right? For more tips, just follow me. If you like that and you learned something, hit the like button, all right? Thanks. See you guys. Bye.